Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use Canva for YouTube thumbnail or making any thumbnail. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva and search it to Google. You can see here free designing tool. Just click on this. After clicking on this link you will be showing a page like this, which is your Canva profile, logged in profile I mean. Then click on create a Canva. Then you can see here YouTube thumbnail or YouTube banner. So this video is for making thumbnail. Just I'm going to thumbnail now. Then you can see here many templates what you can choose for making your thumbnail. So I'm choosing this one, this template. So now if you can see the boxes icon, okay, so this box icon is for editing purpose. So if you want to remove this guy and you want to add your picture instead, here just click on backspace and it will be removed. And if you want to add your picture, then you have to upload it first. Then how to upload? Click on uploads. You can see here the blue button, upload files. You have to upload your files here first, but I have already uploaded the file. So this is my picture. I'm choosing this picture and setting this one here. See, it is fitted. So this is the text portion what you can edit. Just double click on it and click on backspace. It will be removed. So then you can rewrite your text like this. So if you want to remove this bulb, just click on this bulb and click on backspace. It will be removed. So now if you want to change the background color, how you can change? You can see here the background color option. Click on this and you will find by scrolling down many colors. So I'm choosing this one. Okay, so if you want to add and go to the second page, then click on this and you can edit also here. Okay guys, so guys, if you want to share your editing after your thumbnail, sorry, if you want to share your thumbnail after editing, so then you can click on here and you can just click on here and choose anyone with the link and click on the email address you want to share with. So here if you click send, it will be sent to him. Okay guys, so guys, this is how you can edit or make a thumbnail on Canva. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.